Hello tech lovers, today's video is on about S8000 mini drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Mini drones are highly demanded nowadays. There are different types of people with different types of choices who have the necessity of mini drones. Some of the people are beginners who don't want to buy big drones. There are lots of things to look into before buying a mini drones, like as what are the features and qualities in this price and so on. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. In the expanded state, the size of the drone is about 33 centimeters by 33 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters, and in the folded state the size is about 18 by 14 by 6.5 centimeters. The folded position made it very portable, and its portability is discussed in detail. You will get that information later in this video. With smarter optical flow positioning technology, the drone is provided with 4K high-definition dual camera. The shooting angle can be remotely controlled, so that aerial photography has more creative space. Battery capacity is an important topic to discuss or look into before buying a drone. Without a doubt, batteries play an important role in drone. It is provided with high-quality polymer batteries. It is manufactured with a reliable battery technology that supports almost 20 minutes of battery life. And with these 20 minutes, it can be used with peace of mind. Its 2000 mAh 3.7 volts battery provides all these things. Now it is time to discuss various functions of our C-Drone S8000 mini drone. In today's world, beauty shooting is very demanded for some kinds of people. They want some beautiful touch and tip-top photos every time. Colorful distortion-free photos are their choice. With powerful photography technology, photo beautification in one go, it will let you save the tedious operation of post-beautification. With post-beautification, it presents beautiful pictures that are liked by beauty shooting lovers. Gesture photo feature is one of the best photography or videography features of a drone. It makes the process easy. It makes the shooting experience easier and taking photos even more. No extra hassle needs in this mode. Gesture does all the job. In this drone, the makers used a new generation of drone aerial photography technology. During the flight, if the corresponding gestures are given to the aircraft will automatically take photos or videos after 3 seconds after the aircraft intelligently recognizes the gestures, which is more convenient and interesting. It is possessed with multiple flight technologies. This multiple flight drone is equipped with a more stable optical flow visual hovering positioning technology, so the flight is more stable. Because of these qualities, the drone is possessed with smart hovering. And smart hovering provides smooth flying and smooth clips to enjoy. This drone is controlled by a 2.4 GHz remote control. HD video transmission makes the enjoyment double. With HD video transmission, flying a drone is not that fun. It gives you the opportunity to have a wonderful view from far away. Without video transmission, you wouldn't get to see live videos. This drone has got HD video transmission. It provides high-definition image transmission, which is a more friendly viewing experience. It will let you enjoy the wonderful journey of aerial photography. This product is greatly portable. Portability is a thing that is always an advantage that is looked by the drone flyers. When there is a great portability in a great drone, it is a cherry on the cake. When S8000 is folded just right, it will make your every trip more worry-free, space-wise. The aircraft is adopted with the classic three-dimensional folding design, which feels just right. Even after thousands of folding, it can still guarantee the stability of the flight. The area of the folded aircraft is only equivalent to that of a mobile phone, so you can easily grasp it with one hand. By connecting the drone through Wi-Fi, the drone can be fully controlled. It is a timely feature, though it is not as perfect as controlling through a remote control. But it lets you control the drone with your mobile phone. Zooms are important for taking photos from distance. Sometimes there is hidden beauty in distance, but you don't have that opportunity to go there. Then zoom makes it happen. The more zoom ability your drone will have, the more you can drag it closer. This amazing device has 1 to 50 times zoom. The lens adopts a new generation of lens zoom technology. The remote control can be used to zoom in and shoot a distant scene. It will allow you to see farther and clearer in place, and there will be no fear of high-altitude vision. Trajectory pointing flight feature makes the flying process easier. It makes flying the drone easier. Especially the beginners can have lots of advantages from this feature. It helps the drone flyer with relaxation by providing some much-needed relaxation. It provides you the ability to customize the route without much hassle. You can turn on the trajectory finger function on the app, draw the flight trajectory you want, and immediately follow the drawn trajectory for automatic flight. Who doesn't love watching stunts? Especially, the kids love to watch 360-degree stunt show. And it also provides with some unique shots. It provides exciting clips. It is easy to stage the 360-degree stunt show with keys, and it is a cool operation. Only one click is needed to perform 360-degree aerial stunt scrolling easily, without cumbersome manipulation. It has some features too. It is equipped with one-click return, has headless mode. Now, it's time to talk about its some pros and cons. Some pros are: can be folded equivalent to mobile phone size, 360-degree stunt rolling ability, 20 minutes of flight time, 4K dual camera. Some cons are: the stability could be better, the lighting system. There are lots of good qualities in this reasonable price. This budget-friendly drone is designed amazingly, and battery capacity, stunting ability, camera quality, multiple flight technologies, portability, hovering ability, and all those great features has made it an ideal drone for all types of people. It is a beginner-friendly drone, and no need to clarify that pro drivers will be able to utilize it even better. It's a great piece to purchase. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.